Welcome back to our journey into African cosmology and ancient wisdom. Today we explore one of the most overlooked mysteries of life itself, breath. Most people breathe every moment of their lives without thinking about it. But in many ancient traditions, breath was never seen as ordinary. Breath was viewed as life itself. In Igbo understanding, life is not only the body you can touch. Human existence contains visible and invisible dimensions: body, chi, spirit, consciousness, and vital force. Breath becomes one of the bridges connecting these dimensions. When a child enters the world, one of the first signs of life is breath. And when life ends physically, breath departs. Because of this, breath was understood not merely as air moving through lungs, but as the movement of life force through the human being. Ancient Kemet carried similar ideas. Life was understood as animated by sacred forces flowing through existence itself. Human beings were not considered lifeless matter accidentally functioning on its own. They were understood as living expressions of divine intelligence. The breath of life symbolized animation, the movement from stillness into living consciousness. But there is a deeper cosmological lesson here. Breath teaches rhythm. Notice something. Breathing itself follows a cycle. You inhale, you hold, you exhale, you release. Then the cycle begins again. This same pattern appears everywhere. Day and night, birth and death, growth and rest, expansion and contraction. African cosmology teaches that creation itself moves through rhythm. Life is not constant expansion. Even nature pauses. Trees rest in seasons. Rain falls and stops. The moon appears and disappears. Breath silently teaches us a universal law. Life moves in cycles. And many people today live disconnected from this wisdom. They rush constantly. They remain mentally overwhelmed. They carry stress continuously. But the body itself keeps trying to teach balance through breathing. When fear increases, breathing changes. When peace increases, breathing changes. When emotions shift, breath responds. This is why many traditional practices involve singing, chanting, prayer, drumming, movement, and intentional silence. These practices influence breath and consciousness together. The ancients understood something powerful. When breath becomes calm, awareness becomes clearer. When awareness becomes clearer, life becomes more aligned. Sometimes the wisdom you seek is already happening inside you, with every breath. If this teaching resonated with you, like this video, comment your thoughts below, and share it with someone interested in African wisdom. Follow for more deep teachings.